Oh my gosh, junk journal friends, check this out. Hi there. Don't do this unless you want to do something very, very addicting. Hundreds and hundreds. So the first thing I used was this in plain white drywall, spackling, drywall repair. I can't talk. And it comes white, and then I did a whole bunch white, and then I added some pretty browns and made a color, and I just used this. And I keep stirring it and keeping it spritzed because it'll dry out being open. So just a little bit of spritz. This is a Mondo paint spatula. I think I got a set on Walmart or maybe at Hobby Lobby, a whole set. It's a really fun size. It's like cake frosting. So that's fun too. So paper and stencils. And I'm just gonna show one. I think this was my very favorite one. This is beautiful. You can get whole sets of these on Amazon. Well, actually, this is really beautiful. This is a Tim Holtz stencil, and then these are at Walmart. And I loved doing the little roses. When they have a lot of loosey pieces, that's really hard. Or when they have a lot of tiny little, put it against the, when they have a lot of tiny little bits, that makes it harder. So this one doesn't. It's really secure and sturdy. Sometimes there are completely loose stems and stuff, but this doesn't have those. So over here, and just hold it down and hold it still, and I get a little on the back flat side, and I don't even go from edge to edge. I just make it kind of round because I don't want sharp line edges like here and here. I just want a random beautiful stencil, embossment, whatever. And it doesn't take much. I did all of that, whole huge pile with one small, inexpensive can. Stencils I had, old papers, paint to color I just used some golden liquid acrylic color in a couple of brown tones to make this pretty antique-y tone, but plain white is really beautiful too. But you can do any color you want, and that's it. To share. It's addicting, beautiful. See you next time.
Much clutter? Longing to make something beautiful without spending a thing? I'll show you how to turn what you already have into timeless treasures. Create new out of old, heirlooms to love and to give. Join me, Jynene at Lost Arts, for our living tapestries.